Hi everybody, Grid21 here, back with another video, and today this is sort of a project video update. A few months ago, you guys may have remembered that I took my Raspberry Pi and loaded XBMC and made my dumb TV a smart TV, which was really quite a fun project, and I'm able to now watch YouTube and Twitch and things like that. Well, since then, I've been expanding out with media deliverance around my house and stuff, and really have recently been experimenting with Apple Airplay. Airplay is a communication protocol that allows Apple devices such as Macs, iPhones, iPads to communicate with each other, delivering music, videos, etc. to your local devices and stuff. Well, I have a lot of music that I really love enjoying and may not always want to wear headphones all the time when I'm listening to it. So what I did was, I went to Best Buy and we actually talked to a very helpful Geek Squad person at Best Buy. And we were talking over some ideas about how can we bring more of updated media to different parts of our house and stuff. So I got the Apple Airport Express device, which if you follow me out to the kitchen, I can show you what that looks like and show you what I did. So here we are in the kitchen, and on top of here, this is the Apple Airport Express, and it plugs into my network via a Ethernet cable, which I've actually have run down the hallway here, as you can see, and that actually then goes plugging into my router and stuff, which allows it to communicate with the rest of the network. So after I plugged this in, it took a little bit of configuring, and I actually had to go look up a YouTube video about how to do this. Basically, the way you set this up is you plug this in to your network, and you go to your Wi-Fi settings, and it will come up as like base station, and then have I think it's like a random key or a random ID under your Wi-Fi settings. And then under the Wi-Fi settings, I told the device that it was a device that I was going to add it as a already existing device. So basically what I was telling it was that I already have a router, but I'm just adding you as another device on my network. So after that was set up, then I used the airport utility, which you can see that says the internet. Normally you would have like an Apple router, and you have an airport device and stuff like that. I don't know exactly what all that would involve, because this is the only device I have that's an Apple device and stuff, beside the point. But I set this up on here, and I named the device Kitchen Speaker. So the reason why I named it Kitchen Speaker was that not only did I have this, but I also got this device, which I'm actually thinking about doing a review over. This is the Logictech UE Boom. This is a 360 speaker, a really nice speaker. It connects via Bluetooth and also has an auxiliary input. Well, that happened to be convenient because the airport device also had a jack on the back of it that allowed me to run a audio cable from here to the UE Boom. So I'm doing an audio out from a network device to an audio in on the UE Boom. And basically it gets really fun from there. So for those of you who use Apple devices, there's an app simply called Remote. It's in the App Store, it's completely free, it's by Apple. And what this allows me to do, and actually this is kind of helpful, I can actually select my library. Now this is a library of all my music upstairs in my office space, and it has I think it has like all of my music on there, stuff like that. So what this allows me to do with Remote app, I can hit the little AirPlay device, if it comes up. I can hit the little AirPlay device. You notice that there are three devices. There's my computer, there's this kitchen speaker, and there's the Pi TV. Now, reason why it says Pi TV is because XBMC, also called Kodi, has the ability to accept AirPlay devices. So if you have your iTunes library on your laptop or desktop, you can select the Pi TV, or XBMC I should say, to receive music from your iTunes library. Well, with it being, using AirPlay and stuff, the Airport Express comes up as an AirPlay device in the Remote app. So all I have to do is just activate, which it already is activated, and I can control the volume of the kitchen speaker, I can control the volume of the Pi TV, and I control the volume of my desktop computer, which all this ends in the fact that I can then hit play on the Remote app, and I can play music through the UE Boom over the network. So essentially this has sort of become a network speaker, which is really quite cool. And not only does this work with AirPlay, but if you follow me back in here, you'll notice that there's music playing now through my television because XBMC is acting as an AirPlay device. Because it's selected here, and that's how I have it set up in my settings and stuff. So I hope this kind of shows you, what's really possible when it comes to using Apple Airplay and stuff. I'm sure there's a ton more options that I have yet to think about. I just wanted to create a more modern system, something that was easy for myself to use, something that was easy for my parents to use and stuff. So this is sort of a progressive stage. The eventual goal would be taking all of my parents' music, making a new iTunes library, having it so that they can play all of their music through the kitchen speakers and through here. The other idea with this was taking the Pi and plugging into my really old tube stereo. It's actually my parents' tube stereo, but allowing it then to play music out through the speakers here and stuff. So with that, that's basically what I wanted to cover and talk about. If you like this video, please like it. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe. It's much appreciated. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. You guys know I love to help you. If I don't know something, I'll definitely do a Google search, try to help you get started. And I think that's just about it. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Hi guys, sorry, I just wanted to add one extra thing. Thumbs up to my mom for being so awesome. For being so awesome operating my camera. My mom is such a great supporter, and I really appreciate my parents just being, oh my gosh, look how much taller I am compared to my mom. So I just wanted to give credit to my awesome mom, who I love. So thank you, Mom, for being a camera girl. I appreciate you.
You're welcome, honey, anytime.
So I wanted to put that as an extra video. So otherwise, I'll catch you guys later.